Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream home. This house is nestled at Badminton Place in the serene hills of Mandeville. It sits on 0.67 acres of land. This captivating property offers an unparalleled living experience with breathtaking views of the surrounding hills. This spacious two-unit home boasts a total of 8 generously sized bedrooms, ensuring ample space for the entire family. The main house contains 6 bathrooms, a convenient powder room. Every corner of this home is designed for comfort and functionality. Spanning over 6,000 square feet, the residence features a meticulously crafted main kitchen, complemented by 2 smaller kitchens on the ground floor, providing flexibility and functionality. Step in and be greeted by high vaulted ceilings and adding an extra touch of grandeur. The ground floor is thoughtfully designed with a formal dining room, library, and 3 distinct living areas, perfect for both entertaining and creating cherished memories. It also comes with a laundry room and a double car garage. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £290,000, or Jamaican $58.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.